Hello, my topic will be review of live binders. Title, Using Live Binders for Education. Approximately length, 5 minutes. Purpose, to provide feedback to educators on using live binders in the classroom. Audience, educators, technology facilitators, others with interest in using this type of technological resource. Tools, resources needed, none. I chose to review www.livebinders.com, which is essentially an online resource that can be used to store and organize files for educators, home office, or a company. The purpose of this tool is to make LiveBinders serve as a virtual binder that takes traditional organization to the next level. Even moderately tech-savvy teachers and students can take advantage of uploading, organizing class materials. Documents, websites, and media can be uploaded to tabs within each binder, and a table of content can be added. The website offers a free version with 10 binders and limited storage. Paid versions allow for larger uploads and storage in addition to privacy, sharing, and collaboration features. Educators receive half-off discounts for paid versions of the product. In addition to storing resources for class, professional development, and extracurricular activity, users can use this site as a personal portfolio for class projects, a collaborative tool for research, and a means to share resources. Teachers can also browse the topic organized public gallery for resources aligned with course or professional development objectives. What I like most about live binders is that teachers can keep their class up to date on materials and lessons by creating a tab for each grading period or unit. Educators can upload class notes, handouts, and presentations, in addition to extra resources for content-specific support. Now, when a student misses class, they can simply check the binder to get caught up on work. Students can use live binders to keep their class materials organized and also to keep writing, reading, and research portfolios to share with their teachers for assessment purpose. The next thing I like most about live binders is the capability to expand. For instance, if you have a favorite tech-savvy substitute teacher, you can share the binder so they can easily prep for class instruction. Also, teachers can collaborate with teachers as part of professional development, or they can share a binder to organize research strategies and tools. There is even a space to add a space for a parent newsletter. Create a tab in your class binder or create weekly tabs so that parents can engage in meaningful dinner time conversations with their child. The best thing about live binders might be its flexibility. Educators can use the tool as an e-portfolio, a blog, or a go-to online resource for students or families to promote discourse, collaboration, and sharing. Keep in mind that privacy features are available only for paid accounts, so teachers working with free accounts should find a way for students to maintain confidentiality with their binders or automatically shared on those sites' public gallery. Also keep in mind that public binders keep track of views and viewers rating for all to see. That data can be useful for helping kids revise and improve their binders. For classroom use, teachers may need to provide students friendly guidance, since some technical direction on the site can be overwhelming to less savvy students. Overall, students will enjoy the site's customizable DIY feel, and they'll take an active role in reading, creating, and commenting. Live Binders is a great tool for boosting student engagement. If you have tech savvy students, they will love creating and using this web-based organization tool. While the site may not be too visually stimulating, there are opportunities to personalize the user interface. Users can browse the free gallery for resources, great features for staying organized and creating a digital portfolio made for an authentic learning opportunity. In addition to organizing schoolwork, students can collaborate on projects and share resources like documents, websites, and media. Create a live binder to assemble information and requirements for a student project. Make the live binder the actual assignment sheet. Use a new tab in the binder for each type of resource or topic of information. For instance, English classes can use this tool to offer spelling, writing, or grammar hints for students. Physical education teachers like myself can create a binder for specific sports teams that showcase team accolades, resources for increasing skills, or to create snack lists and travel information. Additionally, teachers can create a live binder for groups of students to plan or report on vacation plans, learn about cultures or countries, or maintain information for student projects. Students can use live binders to assemble information for group projects that can be discussed with the teachers to track progress. Create Consider creating a binder for assignments for students that focus on the use of information versus just the researching for the information. Overall, live binders allow organization of digital content such as uploaded documents, links, and multimedia into a professional package for sharing, presenting, and collaborating. I would encourage educators to engage your students by letting them create their own e-portfolio on live binders, or let them share their live binders on social media or on their blog. Let them comment on and evaluate their fellow classmates' binders. Even use live binders to create a central hub for all of your resources so you don't have to juggle between several websites to organize your resources, and keep updating your live binders as often as you can, because your learning never stops. Not only are you an educator, you are a lifelong learner.